How to save bank account on Flipkart. I'm going to show you how you can easily save a bank account on Flipkart. It doesn't matter if you are a Flipkart website or application user. You can easily add your bank account through either of the platforms. If you want to add your bank account on Flipkart and are facing difficulties, the steps I'm going to mention will help you out. To add a bank account on Flipkart through the application, many people like to use the Flipkart application, which is also a reason they prefer adding their bank account through the app itself. If you're one of them, here are the steps to guide you through the process. Open the Flipkart app on your smartphone. Then log in to your account. Tap on the menu icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Now select My Account. Then tap on Payments. Click on the Add New Bank Account button. A list of banks will be displayed on the screen. Choose your bank from the list. Now, enter your bank account details. You would be required to enter information such as account number, card number, IFSC code, account holder name, and other required details.